Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you one of my latest creation I called Pumpkin Eclipse. I use Prismacolor pencil to bring this abstract design to life, mixing the nature or form of pumpkin and a moon with a modern geometric twist. Let's dive into the process and how I selected the shade to make this piece really stand out. As I was working on this piece, I spent a lot of time thinking about how the colors would interact with each other. I chose this beautiful orange for the pumpkin, and it's not just any orange. It has this golden swirly detail that make the pumpkin looks almost like it's glowing foam within. The moon, on the other hand, is done in shade of grey to give it that soft, mysterious feel. It contrasts so well with the vibrant orange of the pumpkin. The combination of these two shades really make the design pop and give it a dynamic, almost cosmic energy. The blue background adds depth and makes the moon and the pumpkin stand out even more. This drawing is a part of what I like to call my modern geometric abstract style. I love using bold shape and pattern to create something that feels both familiar and abstract at the same time. This is cool, right? Ta-da! Here is the final look. I'm so happy with how the moon and pumpkin turned out. I love how the colors work together to create this vibrant, unique design. The blending of shade adds so much texture and depth. If you enjoy watching the process of pumpkin eclipse, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, feel free to share your thoughts on the piece in the comment below. You can check out more of my work on my website at artdimple91.com, where I offer prints of my drawing like this one. Thank you so much.